Some businesses have different locations, and in most cases, different people manage them. But how do you set this up on your website so that the respective people from each location are notified accordingly? In this video, I will show you how to send notifications based on field values using Gravity Forms plugin. From your dashboard, select the form and navigate to the notification settings. Edit an existing notification or create a new one. Add the email addresses under the Send to Email field, so they will receive notifications based on the condition that we will set up. Enable conditional logic and select the field, in this case, the state, and set the value to New York. This way, if this option is selected, the notification will be sent to the email we previously set. Let's rename it accordingly. Once you're done, you can duplicate this notification and update it to have a different condition. Thank you for watching.